Okay, so in today's video, we are going to learn about the Angular. So what is Angular? Angular is a framework, okay, which is used to design the front end as well as it will provide you some functionality related to the back end as well. So see, we'll have a very official website of Angular. Let me type this Angular. And this is the official website, angular.io. So everything we'll find in this website. Okay, that how we can install Angular, how we can work on the Angular. So what are the prerequisites for this Angular? So the first prerequisite is you must have Node.js in your system. Okay, so first of all, let me download Node.js download. This is the official website of Node.js. Now see, I'm using Windows. So I'm just going 64-bit. I'm just going to download this setup. If you are working with a Mac OS, if you are working with any other operating system, so you can find the setup over there. Right, this is the setup for the Mac. Okay, for other respective section. Once again, that's downloading. Okay. Now, once Node will install on your system, so you need to install the Angular. What is the command to install Angular? So guys, the command is npm install -g @angular/CLI. This command we are going to fire on console. So either you can use your admin console, or if Angular installation will not work in your admin console, then you can go with Node console as well, because Node provide you their own console. So how we can open the admin console? Let me open the command prompt, and you need to just right click or run as administrator. There you will also find the option to run as administrator. Now see, that will open this as this option. Okay, so let me check where is my Node. Is it downloaded? Okay, it's downloading. It's not started. Once again, let me download this. So it's downloading. All right, now let me go to this location. Control J. Okay. Okay, it's downloaded. Now let me open that. One thing which you need to keep in mind before installing that, let me install this. Next. See, just if you'll find a cross over there like this, so just select this. Entire feature will be installed on local hard. This option we required. Okay, now next. We don't require this option. Next, install. And now it's installing. Okay, see, and one more thing which you need to keep in mind. I recently installed this node. So that is not in this command prompt. Right. So what I required, I just need to close this command prompt and I need to open a new command prompt. Else what I'll do, once again, let me check. Installation is done. Else what I can do, once I'll type node in my system. So see, I'll find this node command prompt. So suggestible is go with this command prompt. But why we require that? Okay, this is Node.js command prompt. If I'm going to close this, now let me open this command. And let me try to install with this command prompt. If that will not work, so I'm just going to work with some, that Node.js command. Okay, so npm install -g @angular/CLI. All right. So I'll just press enter. If everything works fine, so this command will execute on my system. And make sure your internet speed should be good. Okay, you have very active internet connection. Otherwise, you will face some issue in installation of Angular. Right. And one more thing which I would like to tell you, once you'll work on your installation. So if like that partially install or that will not install completely. So in that case, you can clean your cache. We'll have a specific command, clean cache, that you can find on internet as well. That what is the cache clean command, -F somewhere we required for the force clean. Okay, so I'll find, okay, it added and that is installed on my system. So it will install the latest version of Angular, which is right now 9.6.7. Works good. Now what I'll do, I'll just go to my D drive. Okay, and I'll just try to create a new folder with MD test Angular project. CD test Angular projects. I'll have this folder. And now see, what is the command to create a new project? So guys, the command to create new project, once again, that is ng new project name. So now let me fire this command in this respective location. Now see, now you can create your project anywhere. Okay, because Angular is globally installed. -G stands for this globally installed. Okay, now let me create a project, ng new first. Enter. Now it will ask you some permission. So would you like to add routing? If you are using routing, so you can type yes, otherwise no. Okay, CSS. Yeah, initially we are going to work on the CSS. So I'll just select this CSS. Now it is installing. You can see in the bottom that is installing the software. That will take time. So meanwhile, let me pause this video. So now you can see that package installed successfully and Git is not that. Okay, that is not required. But see, Angular project is created. What is the project name? That project name is first. Now I want to run this project. So how we can run this project? To run this project, guys, the command is ng serve. But where you are going to type that command? See, if I'll type that command in this location, let me clear this console, CLS. Now, if I want to type this command there, so it will ask me to work under the project. See, because that command is not available when running Angular CLI outside a workspace. See, right now I'm outside the workspace. So I need to go inside the workspace CD first. And now I need to fire this command. Now what happened? See, okay, it will ask me for the analytics. Let me add that. So now it is deploying, you're compiling your application. Okay. Now see, compilation works. So what I want now, where I'm going to open that. So guys, this will be the URL to open your application, localhost /4200. So 4200 is the default port which is provided by Angular. The URL will be http://localhost:4200. Right. So what I'll do, okay, see, that is running. You can see my system. Angular live deployment server is listening on this port. So what I'll do now, I'll open my web browser. This is my web browser. Let me open a new. Yes, perfect. I'll got this URL, and this is the Angular first project. Right. So in this video, what we learned, we learned that how to install Angular. What are the prerequisites? First prerequisite is Node.js. Second, this is the command to install Angular. This is the command. Right, only this. And after that, how to create a new project. This is the new project. Okay, how to run your project. This is the fourth command. Okay, so let me type how to create a project. And second, how to run your project. Okay, now my project is open. It means Angular works successfully on my system. Okay, if you want to open this project, so what you will do, I'll just go to this respective location, or else what I'll do, I can open a Visual Studio Code. Right, this is my VS Code. Now I need to open that respective folder to understand the project of, the structure of this Angular. So I'll go to open folder, right? And then I'll go to D drive there. Let me go to test Angular project, this folder. And this is my project. So let me click on select folder. Okay, so this is your complete project structure. Okay, we'll have everything inside the source. In this, you'll find the app folder, right? This is the main component of your Angular. There we'll have index.html. There, what you can see, it is calling your app component by using this syntax. If I'm going to remove this, and I'll just type hi. Let me save this, Control S. Let me check my command. Okay, and so this is my command prompt. Is it refresh? It should be refresh. Yeah, now it's refresh. Now let me see what is the output. This, let me refresh this. I'm only getting this high. Why? Because I'm not calling my component. Control Z. Now I'm calling my component. Let me go back to this page. Refresh. Now I'm getting, see, ideally, this works automatically. Refresh works automatically. Okay, and in Angular, we create a SPA. Okay, what is SPA? SPA is a single page application. SPA. Okay, that is a single page application. All right. Now, see, this is the app component. Rest we are going to check in next video. Thank you, guys.